iBeacon. Museum visitors nowadays often want simple, convenient options for guided tours of exhibits or information on various museum artifacts. And there are all kinds of technology, everything from traditional audio guide devices to visitors' own smartphones. The various kinds of technology provide various options for visitors, allowing them to find out which exhibition they are viewing, what artifacts they are looking at, and so forth. Each kind of technology has its pros and cons. If people use smartphones, it has been impossible to date to indicate where they are inside the building using GPS technology because there is no reception from GPS satellites indoors. A new kind of technology is now available, which is based on the deployment of what are known as Bluetooth beacons. These can be concealed at various locations around an exhibition. The standard for communicating with these beacons is known as iBeacon. These Bluetooth beacons do not require a power supply. They run on small batteries and have a service life of up to 2 years. Many museums are currently using the OnSpotStory system to provide information on exhibitions via visitors' own smartphones, using both traditional apps and web apps. The museum sets up all the information on the exhibitions in a CMS and then publishes this to an app and web app. We have now incorporated the option of using iBeacon technology in the OnSpotStory system. Essentially, this is what happens. You log on to your account in the CMS system. You click on Add Guide Object in order to add information on an artifact in an exhibition or on an entire exhibition. You then add text, pictures, audio and video linked to the artifact or exhibition. To then link this information to a specific iBeacon, you first select the beacon to which the artifact is to be linked, followed by the distance at which the information is to be triggered. There are 3 different distances at which information on an artifact can be triggered: far, near, and immediate. If you select immediate, for example, the information will start to run when you place your mobile phone next to the artifact. If you want a guide to run as soon as visitors enter a room, select far. The OnSpotStory system allows you to select whether audio is to be launched directly on visitors' mobile phones without asking, or whether visitors are to be asked whether they want to listen to a guided tour of the exhibition. The OnSpotStory system records how visitors move around and then display statistics indicating their movement patterns. It is also possible to set up the system so that guide objects are locked. In this case, visitors have to stand in the right place next to a beacon in order to unlock the information. This is ideal for treasure hunts, for example. iBeacon technology also allows visitors to check their location in the building using their mobile phones. The iBeacon technology used in the OnSpotStory system is available for both iPhone and Android, and also for our own smartphone hardware, which can be borrowed or hired on site.